Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable handoff on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down. You click here on settings down here, just click on it. So when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on airplay and off, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to hand off, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean hand off disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.